Hey guys, and you're looking at the first ever live leak of the OnePlus 6, and boy oh boy, this is going to be controversial. Alright, first up, looking at the front, you can see that we actually have the notch on the front of the display. You can see the display goes all the way up to the sides. It's smaller than the iPhone X's notch. That's a good thing, but still, the notch is here. We have the earpiece slash speaker on the front, which confirms that the phone will have stereo speakers. Obviously, the second speaker will be located at the bottom of the phone. This guy has open settings, which reveals a couple of information regarding the phone. So we have the Oxygen OS 5.1.0 based on Android 8.1 Oreo, 6GB RAM variant. Of course, there will be 8GB RAM variant as well, and 64GB of internal memory can be seen for this particular model. The on-screen nav bar keys can be seen as well, and of course, it's a full screen display. It's going all the way down, but still, we do have a chin at the bottom. Honestly, I don't know why they get inspired by Apple so much. I mean, the current OnePlus 5T has a pretty good display, but still seems like the notch is coming. Do keep in mind that last year there were a couple of prototypes, but at the end they went with the one who resembled the iPhone 7 Plus the most. So that dual camera look on the back was exactly like the iPhone 7 Plus with the placement and everything. And seems like this year they'll go for the iPhone X's look, and once again they'll thank Apple for educating the market for them. Recently we have seen so many Chinese phone makers going for the notch design, so I guess this is also happening for the OnePlus 6. And we also have the same button configuration, so power button is on the right along with the mute switch, and you can see the volume rocker on the left. So there's no extra button addition, it's the same as before. Now looking at the back of the phone, we have a gloss back. Yes, it is shiny, it is reflective. It does feel like they have moved towards gloss from the aluminum on the OnePlus 5T. And we also have dual vertical cameras on the back. The LED flash is in between below the camera, and the fingerprint scanner is also below the camera. It has a little bit more different shape, definitely not as circular like the OnePlus 5T, so it's more like Galaxy S9's fingerprint scanner shape. So this confirms that there will be no in-display fingerprint reader. You'll still see the fingerprint scanner on the back, and of course this notch will include a facial scanner. We got the OnePlus logo on the back, and at the very bottom it says designed by OnePlus. Now the back of the phone does look very reflective. Again, it seems like the gloss back is finally added, and it's probably for the support of fast wireless charging. I have to say, for OnePlus, it all depends on the pricing. I'm sure this year they will once again price it cheap, probably around $500 to challenge the likes of Galaxy S9 family or the iPhone. I mean, even though these phones are going $1,000 above, but I still feel like OnePlus will still go for that budget mark. And under the hood, you will see the greatest and the best Snapdragon 845 processor, along with 8GB of RAM or 6GB of RAM. The battery size is expected to be 3400 mAh, and it's going to be more efficient than the current OnePlus 5T, which already performs the best in the battery drain test thanks to the new Snapdragon 845 chip. So yeah guys, this is the first look at the OnePlus 6. It's a huge news indeed for all the OnePlus fans, and let me know what your thoughts on this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.